22 and I'm Jalen. If you are new to this channel, we do lifestyle things, beauty, mental health things. If you are new here, we like to have fun, and this is our YouTube channel, me and my mom. She's not here right now in this YouTube video, so it's just me. But anyways, DIYing a couple things that I bought from Five Below and Dollar Tree. Super duper cute, super duper cool things as well, and I'm super excited to show this process with you. But before we begin the video, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and all of our social medias will be on the screen and linked in the description. So without further ado, let's just get on with the video. Okay guys, so I'm at a different location right now. I'm on my table. I have some paper towels and a plate, but before I get into that, I have my AA batteries, and I'm going to search in my bin, and it actually held everything really nicely. So I'm going to search for my thing, which is right here, and I'm going to get it all set up. So cue the timer. It's low-key kind of cute. I mean, you can do the white and the color at the same time. So I feel like it will fit the vibe after I add my LED lights around my room. So yeah, I think I like it. Low-key feel like this is going to work. So I'm gonna turn it off and get our lights back on because it's dark. So now the lights are all back on, and this worked. I'm gonna put it back in the box. I can definitely see how it worked, but on the box it looks way more pigmented. For now, I'm gonna do a time lapse for me setting up everything and also what I'm gonna watch. Final result. So now I'm just going to take this that's on here, and I'm going to place it on a little box so it can fully dry. And this paint is going to go in the trash. I don't really need it, and I'm going to wash my brushes and clean this up, and then we are going to check out the lights and also go ahead and try to do the phone case. I really want to do that, but in order for me to do that, I have to go to the basement. So yeah, I'll update you guys once I'm going. So I'm like low-key scared, so I'm going to not bring you guys with me, but I'm going to bring my phone because I'm like kind of scared. So yeah, sadly I found my phone case after searching through 5 bags. I finally found it, and this is only one of them, but it's really cheap. It doesn't support my phone at all, so this is gonna be kind of easy, I guess. I'm going to plug in the glue gun from my special bin again, and we're gonna have some fun. Hopefully it will work. Let's just pray, and I will see you guys once this is finally. Just to have something to talk about while this thing is heating up. Okay, so I do have the iPhone X, and right now I have the outer box. I don't know how to describe it, but it's pink, and I like it. I feel like it's like really good, and it really supports my phone. And this is very flimsy. It's not thick at all. It's mostly for like, I don't know, it's just like not really good. Like, you see this, but I like the design. It's okay, I guess. And I'm trying to think, I wanted it to be this way, but it's not really gonna cover the edges really well unless I like fold it. So I'm now deciding on doing it this way, which might be a little bit better, and it will cover the edges. But maybe I'll do it like this but I really wanted those seams, you know? Yeah, so I'm going to attempt to do it this way, but if I can't, I'm going to have to do it the other way. Oh, it's kind of hot. Nothing is really coming out. Oh wait, it is, okay. So I'm going to do a couple dollops. Please do not do this at home, and I will see you guys once I'm done cutting. I managed to get 2 holes, and then like this excess part, I'm going to have to find my scissors. They're probably in one of these bags, so some of the glue actually came off, so I'm going to glue that part up and try and find those scissors. Guys, so I actually have a few things to show you that I did finish. I finished doing this. They aren't dry yet. As you can see, they shine. This one is kind of dry, but this one isn't. It's a really thick coating that I put on it, so I think another night we'll finish it off. And then I have to finish this because there are a few crooked lines, and I also actually forgot about I'm gonna be painting the outside of this a color, so I have to do that. I have to change my clothes though because I don't want to get them messed up. And then I finished my phone case. It's really, really cute. I had to finish it this morning because it took so long, but I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. So this is what it looks like. It's super duper cute. I love it so much. I used a cheap phone case so it pops off super easily. And I used the hot glue, and I like that it has like these ends right here. It'll make it look really rustic and cute. And I actually had to cut it out with something that is really, really strange. I had to cut it out with these because the knife was not working at all, and this actually worked really well. So, yep, super excited about that. So now I'm just gonna change my clothes, paint this, and then I have to upload a video, edit 2 videos, and then I'm finished for today. So yeah, just watch me paint, but I will get back to you guys once I change my clothes and I have all my paint set up and ready. Okay guys, so remember in the last clip I did paint those other 2 things, so now I'm going to paint this, and I'm going to start by taking out all these cubes and start painting. The inside I think I'm gonna keep because it looks like a real wood type of thing, but the outside, like this part, doesn't really look like it. So I'm just gonna paint it like this way, and I think I'm gonna go for a nice blue. So yeah, stay tuned for some exciting. So I finished painting the outside of it because I wanted it to be blue and the inside is wood, so I'm gonna keep it like that. I like the way it looks. I love the color. So yeah, I'll update you guys once everything is done.